Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bontlee.S and that's my man. Say hi baby. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you're returning sub, welcome back. Okay guys, I don't know why I'm holding these flowers, but anyways, it's that I'm taking them a bloom. Okay, so today we are at
Highline.
Highline restaurant at Country Something Hotel.
Courtyard.
Country Something, Country Lodge. Country Lodge Hotel. Okay, I'll write it down there. I'll find baby now. Okay, it's fine. My hand keeps on shaking his head because he's afraid you guys are gonna hear his voice and comment down below. That's my man's voice. Anyways, I'll just find the name and put it down below. And yeah, so what happens in this relationship is that I find the places, we come, and my man pays. So I found this place on TikTok, obviously. It is beautiful. I will insert like a clip video here and you see how beautiful it is. And yeah, we're just having lunch. It's a thing, it's tradition in this relationship for flowers and restaurant. Yeah, what else am I doing today? Oh yes, my friend's girlfriend, we need to go to Madden, close to Mall of Africa, because we're at Waterfall. This restaurant is at Waterfall. And then we're gonna go to Mall of Africa and just check for her Madden heels. By the way, today's the 1st of October, right? September 30th today. Today's the 1st of October. I'm spending it with my man. This is my birthday, man. We are turning 20 something. And we are excited, stressed at the same time, but we are hoping for big things to happen in this coming year. Yeah, so these are the last days of me being 20 something, turning 20 something.
This is me taking you guys through the restaurant. So this is the entrance from the lifts, and oh my goodness, aesthetics, guys, aesthetics. So as you walk in, so I was here like I was the first person to get here, and when you enter you normally get somebody standing there asking you about your reservation details and whatnot. But guys, this view, what do you even mean? The person who came up with this concept here knew what they were doing, because this bar is everything, honestly speaking. The people were very welcoming here. You could charge your phones whenever you wanted to charge them. I was doing that with mine. I could sit anywhere. If you come early and you are first, you get to sit anywhere you want to sit. And this is just a continuation of the tour for the restaurant, so enjoy yourself. And I always tell my friends that whatever is happening in Waterfall, I want to be a part of it. The development that's going on here, money, chelete. Because what do you even mean? And obviously, this restaurant is close to Mall of Africa. That's Mall of Africa right there. So you have everything is just around you, you know. So yeah, that was the view. And then this is me, fan girl. Anyways, and this is the view of the whole restaurant, and it goes all the way to the other side, and it's a similar setting as on the side. But let me take you right through. Anyways, because I got here earlier, I just asked the barman to mix up a little something for me. I told him to surprise me, and boy did he surprise me. Oh, that ain't made it strong. That thing was so strong. But that's him doing what he needs to do, and this is him bringing it to me. It is so pretty. It is so beautiful. I really like beautiful looking things, if that's a way to put it. But when it tastes better, it just makes so much sense. Patung Mukoni. Thank you to my man. And my man. Oh, I get the bloom. And like I said, this is standard procedure in my relationship. Motho ka rata di bloom. O tla di reka. Ha tseba hore o rata di bloom. O tla rekela di bloom. If I rekela o rata. And that's on per. Anyways, this is me. A little outfit check. Cause nje ngimhle. I arabulele nete hle. Fine girl. Again, the bloom tsa monaka. Yeah. I had to take a little picture right there. And this is what we had to eat. He had pizza and I had some lamb chops and chips. And it was a lovely meal. I'll give it like a 8 out of 10. Had better, but yeah. So yeah, I think I speak a lot of different languages at the same time. But anyways. So it was 700. I didn't even do my meal. You see, because Agda bad. So madam. But look at this pretty. Yeah, look shut away. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, breathe. My boyfriend is paying for my hair. You're proud of me? Are you not proud of the dawa? Okay, bye. Okay. So this is me leaving the restaurant, going to check if Steve Madden has my friend's girlfriend's shoes, those uncomfortable black shoes that everybody has. So go Steve Madden, marabara di comfortable. Are you hera bona gore di teng na? Shapo ke rile ke fihla ko mola Africa ke bona restaurant le ya trend e pinki ko TikTok. Ene ka re batla dijo tsa mo mara yo nka se eme line for dijo tsa ko London abo ba guys e manyana hle. He ke re tla ke bona DJs ntle. Okay, fa shapo ke re tla ka bona Ted Bake a tse ke dilo tsa ka tsehle. Mara gona style mo ntho e shapo fela ke bekela re le nna ke na le yona. Ela ya Tom Dick and Harry yona e mara ke batla e kgolo so baby hey baby go pon again. But shapo he ke fetsa ke a tsa ke re tla ke bona Steve Madden ashi. Shapo ke bona setlhakosela sa chomi aka ya se bona se shapo le size shapo ka le fa thwenyana ya setlhakosela re le nna ke naso mang le mang o naso so le nna ke nna motho mang le mang ke naso. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends so they can share with their friends and all the friends that you guys have. Yeah, thank you so much guys. So bye.